guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz. Today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the PUMA MOSTRO PERF. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. Try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. We're trying to take this time, an opportunity to hyper subscribers new and old. Thank you guys. Can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at PUMA MOSTRO PERF. We got this in the black and white colorway, and this is old school sneaker. I mean, I will always remember people wearing these. Here they are, like Puma dug way back into their archives. I mean, it's only been 20 years to even call this an archives piece, but here we are, and this is one of their classic low profile sneakers. And yeah, let's have a look. It's very ordinary in design, very innovative, very unique. And I mean, this is the trend that's going on nowadays, these slim line sneakers that kind of look like ballet, or look like your tabbies as well. So this is very easily one of those trend sneakers at the minute. So if you look at the outsole, you've got full rubber outsole with all the spikes coming out as well. Fakes in the cat logo. And moving on to the upper, essentially there's no midsole because it's just one unit that's stuck with the outsole. And then you've got this perforated upper, all leather upper, the Puma logo, the back cat logo, and it's fastened with this hook and loop system right there. Easy to slip on, slip off. And it's very reminiscent of the Speed Cat, which was used for F1. Pretty easy slip on sneaker as well, driving. This is kind of like a running sneaker, and again, very different. You got all these spikes going all over the place as well. The Puma run strip goes on the lateral side. Medial side, you've only got the straps showing, and on the inner, you've got the Puma logo with textile insole also. Very minimal sneaker, but it's having a moment at the minute. Very sleek in its design, very slim. Anyone can wear it, you know. I mean, A$AP Rocky currently wears loads of Pumas that he was wearing a MOSTRO as well. For those that don't know, MOSTRO is Italian for monster, hence I think it's got the old spikes. I think that's where they get made from, because it's quite, I wouldn't say outlandish, but it's quite beastly, makes me sense. All that said, try these MOSTROs on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a size Puma fit. These are your size 8. Feel right. You typically a 7.5. There is just a little bit of a gap at the front. The only problem I have with these. Otherwise, if I got my true size, it would be a snug fit. But this kind of fit you want for these kind of shoes, I think. Let me know if that's how you feel. You want rather than snug or not. Let us know in the comments below. Yeah, this is pretty easy to put on. A little fastened as well, really cool. I mean, not gonna lie, it's probably not for me, but that's just my opinion. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.